This video is to help you get logged in to the asynchronous or on-demand side of the Strong Start Academy. I am on the website now. You can see it up here for Strong Start Academy. This is where you sign up for both synchronous and asynchronous sessions. Almost to the bottom of the page, you'll find the asynchronous session. This is offered as a self-paced, self-directed course in both basics of Canvas, or if your district isn't employing Canvas, you'll skip down to the course design portion, which is in module 2. So if you click register here, it will tell you, by the way, you're going to enroll in Strong Start Academy Level 1. You have a couple options down here. I'm going to enter my email address. I know that with this email address, and this will just be your school address, when you enter that in, you need to decide if you're a new user. So if you've never ever taken a class, you weren't part of the sandbox for teachers this summer in preparation for Canvas, then you're a new user. You've never had any kind of account at Northwest Regional's Canvas instance. And I'm circling the URL up here because this is our the specific URL for this particular Canvas instance, which will be different than what you'll have in your district when that's fully implemented. So I know that I'm not a new user. I already have a username and password. So this is kind of going backwards. This is if you have ever taken training through Canvas at Northwest Regional, or if you were part of the sandbox, which lots of people jumped on early this summer. Then in that case, you'll already have an account here. So I'm going to mark I already have an account, but I do want to show you, if you say I'm a new user, then it's going to ask you for your name. It's going to use this email address. You have to click agree, and then it takes you to a place where you can change, or you can choose a password. That won't work for me. You'll notice that if I check all these boxes and enroll in the course, it's going to tell me it's already in use. So that's how you'll know that at some point maybe you've taken a course from us, or you are part of training and experimentation this summer. So I know that I already have a Northwest Regional ESD login and that I need to enter the password. And then when I enroll in the course, it launches right into that account that's been set up for me in this case, or potentially you set something up. And then I'm just going to say, go to the course, and I can get started with content here.